These lights, we developed this quick click-in system. You can see how those are shapes. And when you look up here, these should fit directly under there. So I don't have all my tools, but you would strip those, and right here, you would insert all the appropriate colored wires from ground, neutral, to hot. So we developed these lights because we got a letter from I think it's the National Gypsum Board, and it's essentially how you're supposed to test the walls for, let's come here, like how smooth it is, if there's any bubbles or scratches or lines. They have a specific way in which you got to test the walls, and it's in the natural light of what the house is going to be. So we developed these because we didn't want to wire everything up, screw these in and then take them back down. It was going to be too much work, so we developed this quick click system that just allows us to put them in and out quickly. So it allows us to test easily. So we developed enough for a whole house, and we pop them in. And during the beginning stages, we actually wire these in a way where everything's connected. So all we have to do is just turn on the breaker after these lights are put in, and all the lights come on so that the sheetrockers and the painters can come in here and check everything. What we do is we put in all these lights. Normally, I'd have all these open and ready. Pull these down and strip the wires. Get my grounds ready. Hook them all up. And once they're all hooked up, just pop it in. And again, 2 hours later, we come back after all the testing's done, and we can just pull these right out, unhook them, and away we go. And that's what those squeeze onto.
Very cool.